Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we want to see how we can create a direct sponsored single image ad campaign inside the LinkedIn Ads account. So direct sponsored single image ads are going to be one where we are going to sponsor a specific single image ad and build out this campaign and advertise that. So let's have a look at this, how it is being done. So once we can start creating a new campaign altogether, and let's say this is for brand awareness. So we are choosing brand awareness and we are going to create a classic campaign and we can name it like that, direct sponsored. And then we can give the rest of the details like location targeting. And then we can give our audience targeting as well. Then we can select single image. This is what we want to create and set our daily budget and schedule it. Once we give all these details, you can see the bidding strategy is maximum delivery, which will optimize for reach. We want to reach to as many users as possible for direct sponsored content, which we want to do. And here we can save this and move forward to the ad creation. Now, in this case, we are going to browse through the existing content. So this is the content which we have already posted on our company page, possibly. And that is what we are trying to advertise here. So you can see, now you can see direct sponsored. So these are all the examples of it, which we can select from. So let's say we're selecting one option out here. And this we are going to add to the campaign. This is where the sponsoring is happening. You can see it is now a direct sponsored ad. And we can save this and move to the last part, which is reviewing the campaign. We can review the campaign, check all the details, and if everything looks fine, we can simply launch this campaign. So this is our direct sponsored image ad campaign, which we have created now, okay, wherein you can go ahead and sponsor a specific image ad, okay, and then boost that particular image ad basically with the help of this campaign. I hope this makes sense. You understand the complete process now. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this, and I will see you in the next video.